Are your image line apps crashing due to the fruity-parametric-eq-2 module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. Access the official fruity-parametric-eq-2 module diagnostic resource now for a faster system configuration. This is the fruity-parametric-eq-2 module, the primary engine library for the fruity-parametric-eq-2 plugin, supporting real-time filtering and analysis layers used throughout FL Studio projects. If unavailable, mixes may load with degraded fidelity due to absent equalization stages. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. Fruity-parametric-eq-2 is a standard component within most gaming graphics runtimes. You can resolve this by installing the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore legacy D3DX and X input files, and updating your GPU drivers if the error involves OpenGL, OpenCL, or CUDA. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the fruity-parametric-eq-2 module component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. Don't let a small error become a total system rebuild by trying to force install fruity-parametric-eq-2 module DLL into directories where it doesn't belong. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. If you're exploring professional monitoring options, the software linked below provides general diagnostic information for fruity-parametric-eq-2 module. If this fix repaired fruity-parametric-eq-2 module dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.